But if I pull this point here, then again, what we'll be seeing is they are all overlapping on one another. I mean, which might be something you want to do, which might be something you want to avoid. But there are a couple of ways to control this data. The one thing, or the most common one, is to take these values and take these values and remap all these values based on the information that we are based on the information that uh, we are going to use. So you see there are like 11 meters, 9 meters, and so on and so forth. So if I go to math for now, we can just put this here again just to give an idea. Okay, oops, not that one. Sorry. We can just leave it here. If I go to the math and underneath domain, we will see remap numbers. So what this does is basically we are going to use these values as our remapping values. So you see there are different values, like in total 225 that are listed in under 15 different lists. And what this asking me next is the source. So source domain, meaning the domain of these values. So what is the starting point and what is the end point? Because based on this source, you'll be assigning a target, right? So if I grab a bounds component, which exactly creates this information related to the starting and the end point of each range, you see. But the problem here is all these are created by the values of these guys. So this remap value is created by only for the column row 0, row 1, row 2, row 3, row 4, and 5, so on and so forth. So again, at the beginning, I already mentioned about this, but